Warm greetings to all of you. I am Dr. Indu, Head of the Department of Education, Avinash Lingam Institute for Home Science and Higher Education for Women, Coimbatore. We will be having a course on contemporary India and education. The emphasis in this massive open online course is on gaining a wide range of understanding on the importance of education in forming the moral fabric of an individual and the nation. Education is the most powerful tool for fostering positive social change. It is recognized as the foundation of a progressive society. Education helps us build opinion and brings out changes in outlook and attitude of humans. When the right kind of education propagates a right kind of behavior in the citizens, it finally ends up in the progress of a nation. This course is designed to help you understand the importance of education in contemporary India. The course describes the importance of education, the philosophical and historical perspectives of education, and helps to understand the diversity and the diverse needs of the learners. We will also discuss about the contemporary issues and concerns related to education. In addition, it offers an overview of different constitutional provisions, commissions and different acts related to education and special education and considers the trends in education. The course will consist of 26 modules which focuses on meaning and definition of education and its scope. The different agencies of education are also dealt in this module. It also discusses the philosophical aspects and historical perspectives of education. It concentrates on the concept and types of diversity, education and modern ethos too. The course also discusses on universalization of school education, right to education and universal access, and deals with issues like universal enrollment, universal retention and universal learning. It also discusses about quality and equity in education and the role of government in promoting general and special education. It provides an understanding of constitutional provisions, various commissions and the national acts and international conventions and policies related to education and special education. The challenges of education from preschool to senior secondary and the trends in education like Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, non-formal education and the modes of linguistic communication and educational methods are also discussed in this course. Apart from a range of text materials to read, you will also have videos to watch, topics to research, discussions to participate in and an assessment to complete. This course will be beneficial to prospective teachers of general and special education stream, in-service teachers, special educators, teacher educators and sociologists. The course is for 2 credits covering approximately 30 hours spread over for 8 weeks. The course will have assessment at the end of the course, which comprises of 40% online or intern assessment and 60% proctored end-term examination. The insights you will gain from this course will help you approach teaching learning in a positive manner. We hope you will enjoy the course and find many ideas to incorporate in your teaching learning process. Thank you so much.